Hello everyone, I am Rouge and welcome to Rouge of Rose. As a Bengali, Pohela Baishakh is a huge deal for us, even though this year the things are very different just like last year. But I have to post something just to celebrate it in my own way. For today's video, I am creating two different looks, one matte and one shimmer, and both should go perfectly well with the essential Baishakh colors. But before you get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. Since I'm overly extra, I'm going to start with the shimmer one. First, I'm taking up this maroon shade and putting that right in my crease. Then I'm going to pick up this red and go right over that maroon. Next, I'm picking up this orange and going right on the edge of my red. Now above all that, I'm going in with yellow. Now I'm taking the mixture of these two maroon and putting this just on the outer and inner part of my lid, because I'm going to do a halo cut crease in the middle. Everything is looking a little too similar for me, so I'm going to take red again and go above that darker maroon I just put it. Now I'm going to do a halo cut crease. A little spritz of setting spray. Now for the shimmer part, I'm going to take this copper shade which I almost murdered. You can go in with golden or bronze or even glitter if you want, but I really want to try out this copper, so. Then I'm going to smoke out the edges of this cut crease with the same maroon shades. Now I really want to try this gold, so I'm going to lightly go over the copper with it. If you want to be extra, you can put in golden eyeliner. I don't want to do anything to this anymore, so I'm going to move on to the lower lash. For the lower lash line, the steps are the same as the crease, so first up I'm going in with this maroon. Then the orange, now the yellow. Some gold inner corner highlight, and I added in some white liner to the bottle. This is the shimmer look all complete. Let's move to the matte one. Now this one is going to be really simple and quick. First step, I'm going to take the mixture of these two maroon shades, taking that to the outer corner. I'm going to take this shade called Toffee above that. Now I'm going to take this beautiful nude shade and put this on the rest of the lid. Now going back in with the maroons and smoking out the edges of this nude. I'm just adding in a little bit of black on the outer corner to make it look more smoked out. And for the lower lash line, first up going in with the maroon shade. Then I'm going to take the shade I used as transition and put that under the maroon. Now if you want some bling, you can put in some highlight. I want to keep it completely matte, so I'm going to put on some lashes on both eyes and be right back. And these are my look all complete. I've been literally trying so hard to decide which one I like more, but it is impossible for me because both of them are so different and I really like both of them. I really hope you found this video useful, so if you like this video then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I post new videos every week, so to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating any of these looks, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.of.rose. Also, সবাইকে নববর্ষের অগ্রিম শুভেচ্ছা / Happy Baishakh. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!